Hey guys, welcome back to Code with us. So today I'm with other code like we are going to write the code to calculate the code execution time. For this code execution time, I'm going to use for this code. Let's do the code for the sum of n natural numbers. Like let us take 10 natural numbers. So to that we have to go first to the Python shell and create a new file and save it as okay. Let's first save it as file name. File name to let's take sum of n x. Let's keep execution as x dot py. Let's save it. Yes, it's saved. So we are going to check here. First of all, first thing we are going to do is we are going to calculate the time, execution time. Calculate the execution time for the sum of n natural numbers, right? So let's write the code for that. So as we are calculating the time, we need to import the time library. Okay, so first let us import time, which is time library. Now let's take let's wait. Start time equal to time dot time. Okay, now so we are going to find this execution time for the sum of n natural numbers, right? So let's take first the sum. Let be like total equal to 0. Let's use we can use for loop, right? So let's use the for loop for summing of the natural numbers. For I in range 10. Range, let the I value be 10 and loop inside the loop. So let's total, right? Total equals to, so we have to sum to the total, right? Total plus equal to I, which is nothing but total equal to total plus I. Same as the equation what is being given above, that format is different and it's different, but same value will be coming. And now let's print the value of total. Sum is equals to total. It will print the value of the total, right? And let's give it comma. And now we are going to use the end time. The loop for loop. Now end time equals to time dot time. Now the execution part is over. First we have started for the execution time this thing, and now we are going to end as the execution part of sum of n natural numbers, like 10 natural numbers is over. So we are going to end that execution time. So now we'll be calculating the time taken is equal to n. So generally, right, the time end time minus the start time gives the time taken, right? So that's thing we are doing right now. End time minus start time. This gives the time taken. So now we are going to print the time taken for executing each, which is nothing but time taken, right? Yes. So here first we have imported time. Next we have started the time for the execution. From here it starts. So total equal to 0 for I in range 10. Total plus equal to I, which will sum up the value, and we are going to print the sum. So for this the code is over. For this taking of this time to run this code is the, after that it will end the time, and that's it. So we'll be taking the time taken. So what is the time taken? To find out that, we are simply using start time equal to time dot time, right? And we are using for the end time also what's the time taken. So for that time taken, end time minus start time, which gives the time taken to run this particular sum of natural numbers. So let's save the code and now run it. Run the module. See, sum initially the sum is 0 as next step 1, right? For I is 1, initially 0, and next it comes to 1. 0 plus 1, that's 1. 1, next 1 will be the sum. Next we'll add 2, which is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3, which is 6. 6 plus 4, which is 10. 10 plus 5, which is 15, so on. We'll be getting all the sum, and we are finally printing the time which is taken, right? That's the time taken for executing is this 0.132 seconds. So this is the time taken, and thank you.